Wealth transfer movement.
Hey, this is ValenciaGLQ, and welcome to the Wealth Transfer Movement. I'm super excited because I want to share with you just a few different things that we have when you do join this Wealth Transfer Movement, okay? The Wealth Transfer Movement is happening with or without us, guys, and all we have to do is position ourselves and learn in this true independent income solution and make as much money as we want. Write your own annual income. Okay, this is what we can control. And this is amazing. If you understand the skill set, understand a couple of strategies, and understand the initial basic market, then you can earn, okay, on your own time. Whether you're working part-time, full-time, it doesn't matter. Do it from your cell phone, PC. All that matters is that you understand the market and you're able to do this, okay? So pay attention real quick. I'm just going to show you exactly what this is really about, okay? Wealth transfer movement, like I said, independent income solution. So this is just some quick rundown of some weekly pips that we do put into the chat, whether it's with indices. Indices are going to be our new favorite. Most people really like them because you can get in and get right out. Okay, you want to get in at the drop of the bell of when the bell opens up, and you want to get in and get that money. So this just gives you a quick overview that we are putting signals in the Telegram chat for you to be able to earn while you're still learning, okay? Simple money and more in minutes with simple strategies. And we are building. How do we build? This is some of the takeaway, okay? You learn a lifetime skill set. Can't beat that. You learn key proven strategies, tips from master traders, signals, live trading sessions, Forex, binary, HFX. Most people don't understand what it is, but it's the same. HFX and binary are the same exact thing, okay? With our course, okay? Also, making money in minutes, we talk about the binary. We talk about binary, which is the HFX. Most people thinking, okay, trading Forex, you put in your charts, you're trying to figure out what it is, you're waiting for a stop loss. In binary, you don't have to do that. But in trading Forex pairs and indices, you do, okay? And we show you exactly how to do that, all right? So you learn in a short time, okay? Well, most people take years to learn. And I say most people because I've been most people. I've been that person where I waited and all I did was copy and paste and I didn't understand and I didn't become the trader I wanted to be, okay? Not only that, exploring different strategies. We want you to be able to have not only just trading Forex, but also binary options. Having the advantage of learning more than one way to skin a cat. And we do just that. Being able to do stocks, being able to do, like I said, indices, XPS 500, which you'll understand, and I'll show you exactly what that is too, okay? Now, we also give weekly signals on while you're learning, while you're studying the charts, going through the course, you get to take signals that we place in our chat weekly, okay? So this way that you get a chance to, earn a little bit while you're making money, okay? You're trading indices. All you're basically doing is simply not putting all your eggs in one basket with indices. It's amazing. It's low risk, okay? So the benefits is positive, whether it's negative, from the dynamics of the pairs. That's what I really love about it. The SPX 500, as you see, NAS 100, US 30, and German 30. Those pairs move, guys, and you're able to catch the bag, like I said, at the early bell, get in and get out. And we show you exactly how to do just that, okay? Making the most out of your smartphone, right? You want to make smart money with your smartphone, right? We don't want the phone to just be smart. We want to be able to understand that in this wealth transfer movement, we are in control of our finances. So you got the Telegram signal track, you got the live trading that I said, affordable and simple learning methods to build wealth. That's all that it is. We're not trying to rob people to pay Paul here. We don't want to break your pockets, but we want you to be able to earn and be able to learn at the same time. And then you have life access to the course. Okay, so no matter what, you feel like maybe this is not for you or got everything I needed, you have life access to the course, okay? This is multiple wealth strategies here, okay? So take advantage of the courses and the strategy. That is what's going to get you paid. This is your independent income solution. Where to start? So you join and activate your solution. You're going to get with the person who invited you. If it's not myself, then you're going to create your broker's account. The ones that we are using, so this way that we can be directly connected and help you better, okay? You're going to set it up. Get ready, to either learn on your demo or on live account if you have a little bit more advanced and you're ready to go. Okay, then you're going to begin your financial freedom journey. That's what it's really all about. You're going to get plugged in and you're going to be able to earn and learn right away. Okay, even the same day. Now, basically, Right now, you're still able to get in at a great, phenomenal fee. $75 is your great alignment fee. That is the easiest, simplest way to get aligned with this wealth transfer movement, guys. Not killing the pockets. $30 per month. You're able to still have access to everything. Get live tradings with us, one-on-one questions, and we're not trying to break your pockets. Remember, this is no affiliate program here. We want you to earn and learn, not build a team, okay? So you don't have to worry about that, all right? And it's built with the wealth transfer movement. What we're doing is, like I said, no overwhelming understanding of the market. We give you a phenomenal course that's going to give you all the information that you need, okay? Made simple, step-by-step learning course, okay? Copy and pasting signals while you're learning, Q&A, live trading sessions, committed wealth consultants, which is one of them is myself, helping you to learn and earn. Okay, we are here to have you learn this market, I promise you, because learning this skill set is going to change your life. Keeping the students delighted. We want to make sure that you guys are understanding and learning every way. We want to make sure there's no obstacles. That's why it's not overwhelming. We want to make sure that you're easily guided. That's why it's step by step. And we also want to make sure that we know how it feels to make sure that you have some income from copy and pasting. So this way you're not waiting while you're learning. You understand? So we understand that struggle. And this is why we created this wealth transfer movement directly for you. Okay, and that's basically about it. The wealth transfer movement is building. We are building wealth faster, and we want you to build with us. So make sure that you click the buttons below. Make sure you get your brokers. You have a few different options to join and get your alignment. And if you have any questions, message me. I'll be glad to help you out. All right. So I see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Let's build wealth faster. Have a good one. Peace out.